Welcome to Smart Finance with Yemi Oseni. Have you ever wondered why? You work for years with little progress. Then suddenly everything starts working. Income jumps faster than before. That is not luck. It is pressure accumulation. Today I introduce a brand new wealth framework, the Wealth Pressure Accumulation Law. This explains why financial growth is invisible before it becomes unstoppable. Section 1. What is wealth pressure? Wealth pressure is the stored force created by consistent skill building, repeated smart decisions, delayed gratification, disciplined action, long-term focus. Most people quit before enough pressure builds. Section 2. Why progress looks slow at first. Early wealth work produces learning, positioning, network growth, credibility, experience. These don't show immediately in money, but they quietly increase pressure. Section 3. The 3 wealth pressure phases. Phase 1. Build-up, silent phase. Little reward, high effort, low recognition. This phase filters weak commitment. Phase 2. Tension, uncomfortable phase. Income improves slowly. Discipline is tested. Doubt increases. This phase determines who breaks through. Phase 3. Release, breakthrough phase. Income jumps. Opportunities multiply. Momentum accelerates. Pressure finally releases. Section 4. Why most people never experience release. Because they quit too early, change direction too often, chase shortcuts, avoid discomfort. Pressure resets to zero every time they stop. Section 5. How to accumulate wealth. Pressure correctly. 1. Choose one income path. 2. Commit for 24 to 36 months. 3. Build skills daily. 4. Publish value consistently. 5. Reinforce discipline. 6. Ignore early noise. Pressure builds with consistency, not speed. Conclusion. Wealth is not created suddenly. It is released suddenly after long pressure accumulation. Stay consistent. Stay disciplined. Your breakthrough is closer than you think. That is the Wealth Pressure Accumulation Law TM.